Welcome to the video. Today we are going to solve another Math Olympiad problem. Let's use the plasma method. So P is problem understanding. Now it is given that 1 upon 13 is expressed as this decimal where you have 0.076923 and this term, this 6 digits will repeat on and on and on. Okay, so these 6 digits are going to repeat. If 23 over 130 is written in decimal form, what is the 2022nd digit? That's what we have to find. Okay, now let's try to understand. It's very weird that this here it is 1 upon 13 and now it is asking us to find the 2022nd digit of this fraction. Why it could have just given us this fraction, right? It would have been a very long digit anyway. This is some kind of a extra trick that is given to confuse sometimes. So what will be the concepts here? So let's link what concepts will be used. So this basically develops our thinking such that we can try to reach something which is very far by using some deductions and in a simple way, right? So let's get into it and see how do we solve this problem. If you look at 23 over 130, this has to do something with 1 over 13 as well. We see there is 13 here, and 23 also may be having some 13 into it. So if you see, this is actually 13 multiplied by 10, right? And this one also we can write 13 plus 10. We can, right? So this one is split into this. Now what we can say that this is 1 over 10 if we split it into two fractions plus 1 over 13. So 13 divided by 13 into 10, 13 will cancel out, we'll get the first term, plus 10 over 13 into 10, 10 will cancel out, we'll get the second term, right? This one we already know here, and this one is just 0.1, right? So now we have to plug it here. So this value actually will become 0.1 plus all of this 0.076923 ... So this will become 0.176923, but then after that it will repeat again 0.07693. So this 6 digits will repeat. Major problem hurdle is solved. At least we are now down to the decimal form. Next is we have to find the 2022nd digit. Now this one is a 6 digits which are repeated. Let's see how many times 2022 is factored, or what is the remainder when it is divided by 6, because this 6 will repeat many times, and then either it will finish before or at or after. So let's roughly divide 2022 and find out where it will lie. So if we divide 2022 divided by 6, it is 3, again 3, and then 7. So actually it is perfectly divided by 6. So the 2022nd digit is going to be the last digit of this 6, which is 3. So that's our answer. Here we have solved step by step. I hope there is no mistake. If there is anything that you don't understand, or if you find a flaw or a mistake, please comment. And if the question would have been 2021 digit, then we would just find what is the remainder. So this would have been 41. So we would divide 36, and then we'll say that 5 is the remainder. So then we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 would have been the answer. If it is 2023, then we have to it will be 43, and there will be one remainder. So it will be the next digit, which is 0. Okay. Hope you like this video.